All right, this is a super quick video to show you how to enable and create canned responses or templates right within Gmail. This is a free feature and it's one of my top tools and hacks and systems that I use to stay on top of my email inbox management. So templates is a feature that you actually have to enable. It's not turned on automatically. So when you go to your cogwheel of settings, you're going to come to this screen where it shows you everything that you can adjust. You'll want to go to the advanced tab. And right here it says templates, turn frequent messages into templates to save time. Yes, we love saving time. They can be created and inserted through more options, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So you want to click enable. If you have it disabled, it'll prompt you to save the changes. So you want to click enable and then go ahead and make sure you save those changes. Now, how do you use those templates? When you go in to draft a new message, you'll see these three dots for more options down in the corner here. You're going to have Smart Compose, check spelling, print, all of these features. Well, right here, you're going to see templates. Obviously, I have a bunch of them that I have created for my most often used customer service emails. If I wanted to start with one, I would pick one. Say it's billing. So I have already created this one. I get a message that one of my Pin Power Method members had an issue with their card, so I want to reach out and make sure they know how to update their billing. So I'm going to go ahead and click Let's Update Your Billing. This is a template that I have already created where it has the subject line filled in. You could, and I would recommend choosing that you put their name in there so it's not just, it doesn't look like a total canned response. But then it gives them instructions and screenshots for how to update their billing, plus my signature. This is one that needs to be updated because I no longer use MailTrack. But again, this is a really easy way to save yourself a ton of time and not have to retype the same thing over and over or insert the same screenshots. So for example, let's say that I actually wanted to change this because it's not my current signature and what I use. So a lot of this is okay, super easy. Forgot your password, click here. Here's how to update it. Really what I want to do is just kind of delete this and have it be my new signature. My signature is also something that I have saved. So here we go. That's it. Now this is new, so I want to go ahead and save that as the new template. So what I'm going to do is go back to the three dots, hover over templates again, and I, instead of inserting, am going to save draft as template, and it was this one right here. And it's going to prompt me to overwrite my saved template, and I'm going to click save. So again, I recommend doing this for any customer service emails that you find yourself writing over and over. For me, typically it is to onboard new clients. It is to respond to people that have filled out my management application. It is customer service billing questions about Pin Power Method. Or scheduling a chat for a discovery call. So again, this is one of my favorite hacks, my favorite tips for how to save your time. It's a free feature. I totally recommend turning it on and using it.